Okay, this is looking good. Looks like you got the basic shapes in there. I like that you kind of went beyond and did this shape as well, and notice a little hinge there, which is a nice detail. It's interesting that you're like the third person who put a torus here instead of the pipe primitive, so I just had to go back and double check. And I actually did in the video use the pipe, create polygon primitive pipe. So I thought it was weird that so many people use a torus there. I don't know why. Anyway, yeah, we'll be doing some of these kinds of things a little bit differently, so you'll want to replace those later. But I think this looks good. I think you're thoughtful about the proportions. You went a little bit beyond the instruction. And yeah, I mean, you could improve by kind of organizing and naming the items in your outliner, but I like that, you got the feet on the ground and, are paying attention to proportions. I would say that these are probably the same size as each other, whereas you have this one a little smaller. And also I would make it so that they all remain, you can barely tell that they're not round, but they're a tiny bit not round. Like if I look at the X scale and the Z scale, you'd want those both to be the same as each other, so it stays round. But you can't even tell. But the idea is to take one of these and duplicate it to do the others, so they're all the same size. But I think they're pretty close. It's just this one looks a bit smaller. So yeah, looking good.